In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10 step by step. This is helpful if you want to connect wireless headphones, a mouse, a keyboard, or any other Bluetooth device. Let's start with the fastest method. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock and click on the network, sound, or battery icon. A small panel will open. Here, look for the Bluetooth option. If you see it, click on it once. When it turns blue, that means Bluetooth is now turned on. If you don't see Bluetooth there, no problem. Let's use the Settings method. Click on the Start menu and then click the Settings icon. In the Settings window, click on Devices. On the left side, select Bluetooth and Other Devices. At the top, you'll see a Bluetooth switch. Click it to turn Bluetooth on. Once Bluetooth is enabled, your computer will start searching for nearby devices. Make sure the device you want to connect is turned on and in pairing mode. When it appears on the screen, click on it and follow the instructions to connect. Now, if you don't see the Bluetooth option at all, your computer may not have Bluetooth enabled or installed. To check this, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it and look for a section called Bluetooth. If it's there but disabled, right-click on it and choose Enable Device. If you don't see Bluetooth in Device Manager, your system may not have a Bluetooth adapter or the drivers may be missing. In that case, you may need to install the correct drivers or use a USB Bluetooth adapter. And that's how you turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.